Hi everyone, I just wanted to do a little video recording to let you know what the plans are for the next few weeks, because I'm aware that some of you weren't in that last week before we went into self-isolation. I hope you're all doing good and you're not too stressed and you're keeping yourself busy. So the plan for the next foreseeable um, is I'm going to set some work on Teams for you to do each week. So each week I'm going to upload a Word document with some directions, and each week we'll cover a different poetry theme. So there'll be some study questions that should lead you through the annotation of the poems. There's also some online resources available to help you with those annotations too. Um, when you're doing this, if you feel like you've got some really good ideas or you just want to share what you've done, please feel free to post that into Teams as well. I really want you to use Teams as like a collaborative thing. I realise that self-isolation as well can be a little bit daunting and a little bit isolating, obviously because of the name. So yeah, please use Teams to keep in contact with each other as much as possible. So yeah, you'll be led through the annotations of the poems. If you've got any other questions, please ask. This is very, very new for all of us. So please ask. And then every week there'll be a longer assignment that you will submit on Teams and I will mark and give you feedback on. Again, I've never marked anything through Teams before, so we'll really just be seeing how this goes. So if you feel like stuff is getting back to you a little bit late, please just bear with me. So self-isolation is also a really good opportunity to be reading your books for coursework. I know some of you might have had some ideas already, but I'm happy to chat with you further about those. So yeah, please spend some time reading books that you're thinking of for coursework. I think that'd be it's a really good opportunity to do that. And also share your ideas, keep talking to each other. Anything else I need to say? No, I think that's about it. But yeah, please, if you've got any other questions, just ask.